It's a stonking great big gold ring. Morning, it's a bright beautiful day, fresh wind, but the sun has just come up and the sea is pretty calm, so let this morning's adventure begin. Got another target. Down there. Down the hole. Hopefully it's going to be a coin. You can't see a thing. That's still the hole. Just off to one side. See a thing. Oh, it's still there. Oh, there's a coin. Couldn't see it for looking then. What have we got? It's a euro. Another target and a fishing weight. Target which is right on the top of that scale, which is copper or silver, but I don't want to have it out of the ground. Still in the sand. It's a plumbing fitting. Let's see what we have here. A coin or something. Ho ho ho! It's a GoPro. Wow, fantastic. Well, that's a bit of a result. Excellent. Retrieved a very deep target. It's a bit of a sunglass, only one half. Oh well, I've got a target at the coin end of the scale, so let me see if it is, which I think is going to be a fishing weight. Maybe not. It's a fishing weight. Another target right in the smack in the middle of the coin area, so let's hope it's that and not a bit of trash. Still in the sand. It's actually quite a tug on the small amount of waves I've got. Just got to be careful, don't get overbalanced and end up flat on my face. Still down there. Coin, 10 cents. Got a hot crab. It's actually detected. Must be the minerals in the gone into the shell. So back out again. Show and tell from this morning's adventure, and what a great morning it was too. A load of fishing weights. I think it's about the most I've ever had in one session. That's 10 there. Horrible piece of glass. I don't know why people threw bottles into the water. A pair of sunglasses, a bit of metal, some sort of cap, a couple of euros, some sort of clip. But the best find of the day is a GoPro camera. It looks fairly intact, so doesn't power up at the moment, but probably the battery's flat, so I'll give that a whirl later on. So yeah, excellent morning. So thanks very much for watching, and see you next time.